Okay, so now before we do this, let's just quickly look at a transaction in Ethereum. You can find them very easily by going to a website which is called Etherscan. And so this basically looks at all the different features of what this transaction has. It has in particular a transaction hash, says the first one. It has a gas limit and all of these items. Now what I'm focusing on is this transaction hash. In fact, this is something which is not unique to a Bitcoin blockchain, to any blockchain. So for instance, if you look at trade records, as they occur on stock exchanges, they also often have an associated hash to it, which essentially is a digest of the information that is contained in a trade message. Now, there is a hash here, so this is the part that I'm going at. There's another hash, there's another item here, which is an address, right? So it goes from to. That we have, and then has something about the gas limits. Now we have to talk about what the gas limits are, but the important part is there is a from and there's also a to item here. Now you also wonder, this is a very cryptic set of numbers and letters, and we need to understand where this is coming from, and we're going to talk about that too in this lecture. Now let's look at a Bitcoin transaction. A Bitcoin transaction has a hash 2 at the very top, so it has some information there. And now let's look at an Ethereum block. If you look at a block in Ethereum 2, you will see that there is a hash of that block, and then there is a previous block hash. So you have a lot of the term hash being used. So what we are trying to understand, and what I'm trying to explain to you in the next few slides, is what actually hashing is.